Hey there, welcome to another render demo video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a penguin using 6 simple steps. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's get started. So the first step is going to be to draw a vertical shape, kind of like a bowling pin. So we're going to start with a round shape at the top for the head. So we're going to kind of come out and over like this, and then we're going to narrow around the neck area. So we're going to come in like that. Same on this side. And then we're going to have the body get a little bit bigger and wider at the base. So we're going to come over like this, hook back, just like that. Okay, for step 2, we're going to draw a shape here, kind of like an egg shape that fills in the middle, and we go up to about here. So we're going to start, you can start at the base, kind of round out like this. Come over, and we'll try to keep these areas a little bit narrow, as you can see, like this. Just like that, almost like a big giant egg right there. All right, the third step, we're going to draw the arms as wings. So we're going to start from about shoulder height around here, just under the neck, and then we're going to come out and come back up. So we'll come out, curve it down a little bit. And we don't want to go down too low. And we'll hook over, and we're going to come in right about here, so about 3/4 of the way up, like that. And then we're going to find on the other side a similar spot, like that. And this wing is going to be kind of tucked in a little bit. All right, so we're going to hug the shape here. We're going to come out, we'll hug this here, and this will be kind of in the same location as this other wing here. Make this a little bit pointier, and we'll come up like that, just like that. So the next step is we're going to draw some of the its face features. So let's start with the larger shape, which will be the beak. So what I'm going to do is almost draw a shape kind of going towards the right. So from almost in the center, right about here, we're going to go out towards this way here. So I'm going to draw a curved shape that goes up and back down, and then round the corner, come down quickly, and then long point that way. And then for the separation between the top and the lower part of the beak, we'll draw a line, a little bit of a slight bend to it, just like that. All right, and we'll put like a little nostril shape here, and then 2 eyeballs. So let's do 2 round shapes for the eyes. One here, and one there. Okay, and then for the next step, we'll draw the feet. So we're going to do one on this side. So we're going to go right around this area here, and we're going to come out like this, and then we'll do kind of like a W shape, like that, or like a V shape that has 2, almost like a little bird that's flying in the air. And then we'll come back in, and we'll do a line from the center. We'll curve that like that. And then the same for the other side. We'll start about here. We'll come over, and then we'll draw a V shape. And then from right about where your center belly shape kind of meets the body, right around here. So we want to try to be about the same width here as we are on this side. And then we'll curve this up and down, and then we'll draw a center line here. All right, so that's our penguin. So for this next step for rendering, I'm going to try a different technique where I just use some gray markers at the beginning and start with my lighter colors and shades and values, and then bring those up to darker values. So for the belly, I'm going to want this belly to be kind of a gray belly. And don't worry if you go outside the lines, we're going to draw some black lines afterwards. Now for some of these details, I'm going to use the Sharpie because I don't want these to be too, that would be a little bit more precise and have little thinner lines. See, I'm kind of pulling the lines with the shapes. I'm going to take my pencil, I have a Prisma pencil here, black Prisma, and if you want to try to go in and add a little bit of extra color, and if you want to put a shadow, I think that could be kind of cool underneath here. So all right, there's our penguin. Hope you like watching this video. See you next time.